Time, ang tanong po kasi ni Congresswoman Luistro, it's more than a year since we started conducting this investigation. And you were asked earlier if there was already an action taken by the AMLAC. Ang sabi nyo, you are meticulously investigating, conducting your investigation. She asked you again, when will be the filing of a freeze order be done by the AMLAC on the assets of the subject corporation. Ang sabi nyo, meticulously investigating pa rin. Now, baka yung sobrang meticulous yung pag-iimbestiga nyo, maubos na yung property ni Empire 999 at maibenta na sa iba. And that is exactly the reason why we are all asking you to take the immediate action that you should in order to prevent this from happening. You know, we have information na those involved in other illegal activities, especially yung mga kawani ng gobyerno na kung saan ay naakusahan, akusahan pa lamang sila, ay na-freeze kaagad yung kanilang bank accounts, no? Pero ito, na klarong-klaro na hindi po Pilipino, bumili ng lupa, fraudulently acquired Filipino citizenship, na-discover na merong droga o drugs doon sa loob ng kanyang pagmamayaring warehouse. Isn't this all enough basis? Or if you're saying probable cause lang, di ba? Klarong-klaro yan, Attorney Dumale?
Yes, Mr. Chair, we do understand the necessity of the action of the AMLC, but if you will recall, Mr. Chair, we have waited first for the filing of the unlawful activity in coordination with the NBI, which was filed, I think, last third quarter of this year, Mr. Chair. So that's why we are able to establish one of the elements, which is the existence of unlawful activity, Mr. Chair.
That's another issue because we will also call the attention of the NBI in this particular Empire 999 case. No, we've been waiting for them to file a case against the incorporators of this Empire 999. I don't know. Have we been, Comsec? Have we been, has the NBI